So we're just playing with how you can bring in decorative stitches and embroider them in the hoop. So I wanted to I'm picking up right where I left off here. So we actually went over to our decorative stitch flag, picked a buttonhole or picked a decorative stitch, one of the larger ones from the K menu, and brought it in. So yes, you can do this. So if you wanted one of the, how about some leaves to go with ours? So you can bring those in and get them ready to stitch. You can bring in more, you can duplicate them, you can put them in the design shaping, put them on a line. You can sew out your decorative stitches on the embroidery machine. But let me show you what's gonna happen once we touch go. And I'm gonna just simulate, we're gonna put the hoop on so it thinks it's gonna stitch it out, but we're not. All right, we're putting the hoop on. It confirms that hoop is in place. But look, it's going to stitch out the first flower. Now, I don't know about you, but this would probably be something that I would stitch all the flowers in the same color. But if you look right here, it's going to stop after every single one. I brought in 5 flowers. It's going to stitch each one and stop. So if you want to make it so they sew it as a monochrome, all one color, you can do it one of 2 places. You can actually touch the monochrome feature right down at the bottom of the color block list, and that will eliminate all the color stops between that feature. But you'll also notice when you touch this, you will see that the stop button goes off. So that means that this is another way to allow a design to stitch out all in one color. So by touching the stop light and unlighting it, you'll notice that this activates, and now you can stitch it without stopping.